Hi, and thank you for checking out the Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain. My name is Everett Abrams and I'm the Wizard of Wood. Got that nickname a long time ago after 30 years in the industry. What I've done over that 30 years is specialize in exterior wood restoration. I've taught over 10,000 contractors how to do exterior wood restoration. So I've taken all that expertise and I've put it into the products that we offer to the industry. So you'll have our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stains, which can be applied to wet wood, dry wood, or damp wood. And we also have the restoration products, best in the industry, to help restore your wood and your substrates and other surfaces. After that, we also have some masonry and paver, concrete, cleaners, restorers, and sealers as well. So we're your outdoor living space specialist. Thank you for checking out the channel. Please enjoy the videos. And if you have any questions as you go through here and learn and see how to use the products, please leave them in the comments. We'll be sure to answer your questions. Thank you for checking out the channel.